Hi, I'm Matt from Weber, and this is the Weber Summit Gas Grill. The Summit line has always been the peak of Weber's gas grill lineup, and we've reinvented it with tons of features for those that love to cook and entertain. But what I really want to show you first is underneath the lid. With the new top-down infrared broiler, we're no longer talking about sear marks. Your steak is going to have an edge-to-edge caramelized crust just like you would find in steakhouses all over the world. And with this rack, you can fit up to 4 fillets to maximize your cooking space. And you can do so much more under that broiler just by adjusting the rack. By lowering it, I've just made room for a casserole dish, which means brown bubbly mac and cheese, potatoes au gratin, oysters Rockefeller, even caramelized fruit for a dessert. You can also remove the rack and still use the broiler with our integrated rotisserie. Pops up just like this. And as foods like prime rib rotate under that infrared broiler, you're gonna get this caramelized crust and mouth-watering insides. And you can even add a stainless steel crisping basket, and that means air-fried flavor for chicken wings and even killer Brussels sprouts. For authentic wood flavor, the Summit comes with a stainless steel smoker box. Just fill it up with wood chips and put smoke anywhere you want it. Now before you sauce those ribs, you gotta warm them up, so we've got this amazing side burner for you. No shame if you use it from a bottle or make it from scratch. Now let's talk about the main grates. They're heavy-duty stainless steel 9mm grates, and that means you're gonna get huge, bold sear marks. And beneath those grates is an included Weber crafted frame. This lets you add on grillware like a Dutch oven, a wok, or a pizza stone that's gonna fit perfectly. You can even add another frame kit and double up on pizza stones for a pizza party the neighborhood won't forget. And you can transform your Summit into a griddle with the griddle insert, and that means you'll be doing breakfast and brunch. One of the great new features of this grill is how you start it. The one-hand ignition starts just like the stove in your kitchen. Pure Blue burners are tapered and ported. What does that mean? Well, when it's tapered, that means that you're gonna get consistent pressure throughout. And because they're ported, that flame is raised up and you're gonna get better efficiency and longevity. And you can even cook at night because this grill lights up. The knobs have a warm white glow, and when you lift the handle, the entire grill surface lights up automatically with warm LED lights. And last but not least, everybody's favorite, soft closed doors. All of this is backed by a 15-year limited warranty and Weber's legendary customer service. With its bold style, sleek design, and innovative cooking features, the Summit is gonna be a centerpiece of your backyard for years to come. So invite over your friends and neighbors, make amazing food, and long-lasting memories with the Weber Summit.